Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Wulansari. I'm the second child of three siblings. I have one older sister and a younger brother. We have very loving parents and always encourage us. And I come from Nagrak, Cibadak, Sukabumi. I have attended elementary school in SDN 1 Nagrak and continue studying at SMPN 1 Nagrak and SMAN 1 Nagrak. School years are something that cannot be forgotten, and there are many good memories in school that made me want to return to the past and present as employee as well as student at Nusa Putra University and working at PT Pratama Abadi Industri GX. Every morning I get ready for work and I don't forget to have breakfast because I come to work at 6 waiting for the pickup bus. I take the time buy food and come home from work at 3 in the afternoon. After work, I clean myself and I take off the different that I work all day, but keep my fashion for my goals to be achieved. I also have other dream besides having business, my own business, namely as a dancer, because from my childhood I have been familiar with dancing and dancing competition. Maybe it's just a hobby, but if the hobby will make money well, uh, money well, there is one thing that's all to be missed apart from playing in a hobby, which is drink milk before leaving for the work and before going to bed from because I really like food that comes from South Korean because I like and often watch Korean drama. I am also a fan of the BTS boy group. I follow a fan club in Sukabumi called Army. Army as BTS fans called. I always gather and hold meeting every month to build relationship with fellow BTS same interests and the same like in a first and idol concert is an extraordinary achievement for a fans. And then this is about myself. I'm sorry for mistake in what I say and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.